We're continuing with Math 125 gateway questions. This time is question number 43 out of the pool 41 to 50. These are again the type of questions that involve one chain rule or two chain rules and a combination of chain rules and product rule and quotient rule. This time the function is g of t equal to t to power 3 minus 1, the entire thing to power 4, times 1 plus t squared, the entire thing to power negative 4. So the first thing that I see from outside is that not the entire thing is to the same power. We could make it to the same power, but in this case it's not. It's not in that form. So now I'm looking at what I have, and I see there are two factors and connected with a product. So the first thing that I want to do is a product rule. So the first thing that I do with the product rule is to write. Remember that I will have two parentheses plus another two parentheses. In the first parentheses, you want to put the derivative of the first one. In the second parentheses, you want to put the second factor unchanged. After the plus sign, you will have the first factor unchanged times the derivative of the second factor. So putting the parentheses in helps you organize your workspace. So I want to put in now that we rewrote first derivative of first factor times the second factor, first factor times the derivative of the second factor, what we need to do is to replace these two derivatives in the entire expression. And so to replace the first derivative, what I observe is that, this one is another chain rule. It's a chain rule. And chain rule here is the outside function to power 4, inside function t cubed minus 1. So take the derivative of that, and what I get out of with replacing that is 4, and then to power 1 less, which is 3. Inside goes unchanged. Then derivative of inside, which is going to be 3t squared minus 0. Also, I need to replace this one, and this one is another chain rule, which outside function is to power negative 4, and inside function is 1 plus t squared. Replacing that, it would be negative 4 times 1 times parentheses to power 1 less minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Inside is unchanged. Then derivative of inside is derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of t is 1, derivative of t squared is 2t using a sum and difference rule. Now we rewrite the entire thing, replacing this derivative with its value here. So this is that derivative. And then the next part is just the next factor unchanged, plus this time the first factor unchanged, And then you multiply by this derivative that we figured out is going to be negative 4 times 1 plus t squared to power negative fifth times 1 plus 2t. And so this entire thing is going to be that derivative, multiplying it all through. This, you can enter this in your gateway exam. No need to simplify.